Looking back on your Sunday, it was a warm one. We topped out at 60 degrees for the high, almost 20 degrees above normal. Our low temperature was slightly above normal by only 6 degrees at 27, nowhere near the record of 75 in 2010 or 2 in 2013, and sunset already occurring at 8:22 p.m. Today, though, quite a different story with those clouds rolling in. Temperatures have fallen about a good 10 to 15 degrees from what we were experiencing back on your Sunday. 47 in Marquette, 49 in Iron Mountain, but pretty much everyone relatively uniform in those upper 40s. So we're still above average, just cooler than what we saw on Sunday. Now looking at those winds, they've been pretty light as well, mostly coming out of an easterly direction. At 3 in Houghton out of the east, 3 out of the southeast in Marquette, 7 in Iron Mountain straight out of the east. Now going into the next couple of days, especially for tonight though, we will be dealing with a couple of rain showers, but by the time we get towards your Tuesday night, we will begin to see some improvement. Sunshine coming in on Wednesday. Late Wednesday night, we increase those clouds. And then that cloudy trend will continue on your Thursday, but by Friday, the sunshine will make its way and temperatures will actually begin to warm up, and we will see very similar numbers to what we saw yesterday by the time we get towards the weekend, where some areas could be up to 20 degrees above normal. Before we get to that nice weather, unfortunately, we got to deal with a couple of bumpy times ahead. The good news, though, we're not going to see as much impact of this bumpy weather as our neighbors downstate in lower Michigan. There's going to be a lot more rain for them, where they could see up to 2 inches of rain by the time this is all said and done tomorrow night. For us, though, most accumulations we'll probably see will be up to a ½ an inch of rain, but there is a line that's pushing its way closer and closer to us, so make sure to have that umbrella with you for tonight, but also going into tomorrow morning. Now, the setup for tomorrow is that disturbance will begin to push towards the northeast. There will be another one that's beginning to form in parts of the plains. This one will actually bring some cold air with it, and eventually it will bring some snow for parts of lower Michigan by the time we get towards your Thursday. Now for us though, as this rain begins to push towards the east later on tonight into tomorrow, we will begin to see thinning out of those clouds, some sunshine marching in. By Wednesday night, we begin to see more clouds coming back into the area, but as you can see, most of the snow concentrated throughout northern lower Michigan. That's right now the agreement on the models have become that it's going to go through northern lower Michigan. The only uncertainty at this time is how much snow will they be receiving. So if you are going to be traveling from the UP downstate on Thursday, you may want to hold off until Friday, when temperatures are going to be above freezing, but also the snow will be long gone by then. But for us, though, we may just have a little bit of snow falling through the eastern UP, around the Sioux, and in St. Ignace. Everyone else should at least see cloudy to mostly cloudy skies. Now for tonight, though, 39 degrees. Showers continuing with some patchy fog developing, so remember to drive with those low beams as that visibility could become reduced. Winds out of the north at 5 to 10 miles per hour. As you go into your Tuesday, it is going to be a breezy one with those rain showers pushing towards the east and temperatures hovering around 50 degrees, 50 in Ontonagon, 51 in Crystal Falls, 46 in Houghton. And again, it's a little more cooler as you make your way towards the east, as that cloud cover will hang on a little bit longer for them. 41 in Munising, 47 in Escanaba. Going into your day planner for your Tuesday, sunrise already occurring at 7:25 a.m. Rain chances only down to 20% by the afternoon, and then eventually we'll have some moonlight returning by the time we get towards tomorrow night, as temperatures just fall slightly below the freezing mark. And going into the next 7 days, temperatures continue to tumble a little bit more with that second disturbance as it brings some cold air behind it. 35 degrees only for your high on Thursday, and then we quickly warm up to close to 60 for the weekend with a good amount of sunshine.